Hey guys, it's Taryn here, and I have on my cheetah print dress with the slit, you know. So for this dress, I definitely want to be sexy. So I want a smoky eye, I want a smoky look. So I want to warm my face up, and to do that, I'm going to use my Beauty in the City face bronzer right here. It is a liquid bronzer, so I'm going to use a thick top brush. It's almost like a kabuki brush, but not really. Shake, shake, shake. You always want to shake up your products to make sure all of the ingredients are ready. And I'm just gonna take that and pump it. Give it a few pumps. And what I noticed with this product is it builds up really nicely. So you start with a little, and I bronze my face. I marry my face, so I bring that all the way around. Give it that little warm right in the creases. Bring that all around. It also has a shimmer to it, which I like. Very much summer vibes. A lot of these products have a little glitter in it, and I love that because I love glitter. So take some more pumps. I'll put that here. I'm gonna take it to my other side. See if you guys can see that. Bring that under here. You see that glow? It gives on your skin a nice glow. Very fresh, not too heavy at all. So I'm gonna take a dry brush, flat top, and blend that out a little more into my face so we don't have any lines. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with my Ninja eyeliner. That's not Ninja. This is Ninja right here. And I usually use liquid on my my line up here, but I'm gonna use this pencil. I'm gonna see how it is with you guys on camera. So let's see. I love a cat eye. So let's see. I pull my eyelid and I just, oh, it's so creamy. Look at that. You see that? The romance of it all. I love that. Come bring that in, clean that up a bit. Then I'm gonna do my other side. Same process. And this is just a little makeup tip. I don't take my eyeliner all the way in. I start at the middle of my eye and bring it out. And I feel like it makes it a little more flirtatious. It kind of changes your eye shape up just a bit. Kind of taper that off on the end. Clean this up. And I'm also going to take Ninja and put it on my waterline to darken my eye up. Because I told you guys I want this to be a smoky, sexy look. Just to match my dress. There we go. See? And then I'm going to take my Beauty in the City Mascara, of course, because you got to do the lashes or your face isn't done. I'm going to take that. And just make my eyelashes fuller. I love how this mascara just fluffs. I feel like it gives it a nice fluff to your eyes. You want to get it on both sides. I love how thick this brush is too. You can see that. Very fluffy and thick. You can always tell what a mascara is going to do by the brush. I always say that. It brings up my lashes so much. Look how they come up. I, comb it from the root and bring it all the way up. So we're going to get the eyes. So there you have it. And then what I'm gonna do, because your face is not complete if it's not highlighted, of course, I'm gonna take my cream shimmer stick right here. Beauty in the City as well, of course. Just warm that up on my finger. The only way to use this product, I feel like, or the best way for me. Put that on my nose, on my forehead. All the highlight points. I love to put it on my chin because I have a little dimple on my chin. Came from my great grandfather. My mother told me. And I love to highlight it because it's cute. And I like to get right up in here. Very quick, very easy. I like to go on with my same dry brush. Kind of blend everything out. Make sure you don't see any lines. You don't never want to see the lines of your makeup. Like, you don't ever want to see like how you put it on. You always want to blend your face out. And of course, because these are summer spring looks, we gotta set our spray with the Beauty in the City Tea Face Mint right here. Shake, 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 and spray to set. Ugh, so refreshing. I love that. Alright guys, so there you have it, my spring summer look with my leopard dress. I hope you guys enjoyed.